Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
All right, welcome back, everybody. Happy Wednesday and happy Earth Day. We have a lot to go over in this forecast. Not a whole lot of time to do it, so let's get right into it. First, we have a little bit of some light rain coming through the Glasgow area. Just some sprinkles, nothing to worry about up there. We do have heavier rain and a few thunderstorms just to the north of Salmon, Idaho, moving across the border into Montana this morning. Wind, not so bad right now, but it will be picking up later. We'll get to that in just a little bit. But a center of low bringing heavy rain, a few thunderstorms later on this morning and into this afternoon. Maybe around 10 or 11 o'clock in Helena should start to see the development of those showers and storms. A few showers pushing into the Bear Paw Mountains, Havre by about 2 o'clock. Thunderstorms up into the Cut Bank and Havre areas by about 4 to 5 o'clock. Heavy rain down near Helena, Butte, Bozeman. Heavy snow into the mountains, the boulders, the Elkhorns on the Continental Divide. A cold front pushing through later on tonight will only enhance that precipitation. We expect heavy snow into the big belts, the little belts, potentially some blizzard-like conditions. Still rain into most of the lower elevations, but by early tomorrow morning, it'll be cold enough to see the conversion over to snow, at least not into central and eastern Montana just yet. Heavy rain coming through along that cold front, but back behind this front, that's where we'll see some lower elevation snow. Now, in terms of accumulation, probably not a whole lot on roadways, but we will see some accumulation into the grassy areas. Scattered showers developing by tomorrow afternoon with some instability, cold air aloft, allowing those showers to stick around through tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. So here's what we're thinking for snow, about 1 to 3 inches in the Helena Valley. And again, it's going to be hard for the snow to accumulate on roadways just because of the higher sun angle and warmer temperatures that we had yesterday. But grassy areas could see a little bit of accumulation, a little bit more in the Helena Hills around town, the North Hills, the South Hills, about a trace to 2 inches in Great Falls, a little bit warmer air up there. Lewistown could see a little bit more snow due to some upsloping there, and the Bozeman area could be looking at quite a bit of snow too. So the mountain forecast, heavy mountain snow. We're talking half a foot to a foot of snow in most of the mountains around Helena. The Little Belt Mountains up to about 20 inches in the higher terrain. A lot of weather alerts out there. We're going to start off with the winter storm watch for the Little Belts, the High Woods, and the flatter area in between, including the geyser area. 5 to 11 inches in the mountains over the course of the next 24 hours or so, maybe about 36 hours, Thursday afternoon. Winter weather advisories all up and down the Continental Divide, even up towards the Bear Paw Mountains here just south of Helena, the Big Belt Mountains, and then eventually into Yellowstone National Park. Winter storm warnings for the Madison-Gallatin Mountains, the Gravelies, the Tobacco Roots as well, and then eventually into the Beartooth and Absaroka Mountains. Over a foot of snow there. A red flag warning in northeast Montana. That one's for today, where we do have heightened fire weather concerns and very gusty winds, and we will continue to see the gusty winds into tonight and through tomorrow evening. Gusts up to 65 miles an hour through most of the northern plains there. So at least for our area, we are not under a high wind watch, but we will have gusty wind developing today. Southwest turning northwest, and it will stay gusty tomorrow as that rain and snow is moving through. So quite the powerful storm system we have here. So 50s out there right now for our temperatures. We will be warming up into the 60s and 70s before those showers and thunderstorms come through, and then much colder air through the rest of the week.